Announcing Kyocera's new CA3 series CVD coating for turning cast iron. The new CA3 series insert grades use a new innovative coating technology to achieve both long tool life and stable machining. The high coating adhesion prevents peeling of the coating to provide excellent machining stability. When compared to other products on the market, the CA3 series interface strength is 20% higher to resist boundary destruction and abrasion. 3 grades are available to cover a broad range of machining applications. CA310 is the first recommendation for gray cast iron. CA315 is the first recommendation for nodular cast iron. CA320 is for heavily interrupted or high-speed machining. Utilize 3 new chip breakers with exceptional chipping resistance to give you quality results over a wide range of machining applications.